How to withdraw money from Binance to Amazon wallet. In this video, I will show you the possible method to withdraw from Binance to Amazon wallet. First of all, after you open up your Binance app like this now, so as you can see now here it says for now, as you can see now, as I ask someone, he says for now you cannot withdraw directly from Binance to Amazon wallet because Amazon does not support cryptocurrency deposit. However, you can convert your crypto into Amazon balance using the following method. So all you have to do now, withdraw to PayPal, buy Amazon gift card. All you have to do now to do this, all you have to do, sell crypto for fiat on Binance. All you have to do now, go ahead, open Binance trade in sale for USDT Euro to your local bank. After you withdraw it to a PayPal account, from there you can buy gift cards. As you can see now, you can use the PayPal account to buy gift card. Use your PayPal balance to buy Amazon gift card from Amazon gift card seller. Then you can redeem on Amazon. Open Amazon account, gift card cash, redeem a gift card. So from there you can redeem the gift card using the Amazon, using the PayPal that you send the money. That's the only way you can be able now to transfer your money from Binance to Amazon wallets.